Hey guys, Robert here with Wonder Offroad. And do I got a product for you guys today? I got the XPO Gear Gull Wings. One of the best additions you can add to any Jeep owner's arsenal of items you can add on. This currently, they make them for the Jeep JK, JKU, JL, and JLU. This is really handy. Look at this. You can open up the rear. Now you have access to all your recovery gear or cooking items, whatever you may need to grab and have readily accessible and while you're at camp. So you can either get your first aid kit or maybe even your air down gear. Just open it up, you're ready to go. Or reach in, grab yourself a fresh beer from the cooler. It really makes this very handy to have. I would recommend this one. Now, some fun facts about XPO Gear. They are 100% American made, roll formed, and made of high grade aluminum. These are also powder coated. These can really take a good beating and still not show its scratch. These are really a great company to buy a product for, and you guys should check them out. Now, also, XPO Gear does have a very easy time to install these as well. These wings right here are very handy. So you just take out your old glass from a professional glass, auto glass remover can do it, and have these installed. And guess what? These are weatherproof, so there's no dust, no dirt, no water gets in these at all. It really makes it handy to make the back of your vehicle that much more efficient. All right, guys, this is Robert with Wonder Offroad saying, can't go wrong with that.